Okay guys, so we're going to be making some roasted cauliflower. So here I have a cauliflower head. You know, I didn't cut it off. The stem itself is still attached. So we're going to be roasting this whole cauliflower head, okay? So what we're going to do first is just going to drizzle some olive oil on it. I'm going to massage this olive oil into the cauliflower, okay? Both sides, all right? Give it a nice massage. Right. Okay, so at least we got the oil all over the cauliflower. All right, so I'm gonna have to rinse out my hand now or wipe it. Let me go and do that. All right, so now that we have done that, what we're going to do is we're going to be using some Montreal steak seasoning on our cauliflower. So that's why I wanted to put the olive oil, because I wanted the olive oil to help me get this seasoning to stick onto the cauliflower. Okay, let me flip it over so I can put some seasoning on the underside. All right, put it on the sides. I want it to kind of stick, hopefully, somewhat. All right. All right, so we got some of that Montreal steak seasoning. Now I just made a fresh batch of sofrito. Okay, I will leave a link in the description showing you guys how to make sofrito. So I'm also going to be rubbing this sofrito on it as well. Okay, so let's see if we can get to rub this sofrito all over our cauliflower, because we want to add that nice flavor to our roasted cauliflower. Yeah. Okay. Let's see, should I put a little bit on the underside? Why not? I didn't want to get my other hand dirty, but I think I will have to get it dirty. Right now I have my oven preheating. It's preheating at 230 degrees Celsius. All right, so what are we going to do next? Let us sprinkle some, I have some gluten-free seasoned crumbs here. I'm going to sprinkle some of that on top of it and try to get it to stay to the best of my ability. All right, I think that's the best I'll be able to do in terms of getting this to stay on. Oh, no, I was going to try to do the underneath, but then I'll just throw out what I put on top. All right, guys, so let's now put this into the oven so it can roast. Okay, guys, so here we have our roasted cauliflower. What I forgot to mention at the beginning though, to help cut down on the roasting time in the oven, you can steam your cauliflower head for a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes before roasting it, and seasoning and roasting it in the oven. But there you have it, folks, our roasted cauliflower.